The popularity of a Next.js 15 crash course, or any crash course on the latest version of Next.js, can be attributed to several factors. 1. Cutting-edge features. Next.js is known for its continuous innovation, and major updates like version 15 often bring significant enhancements, e.g., improved performance, new APIs, and developer tools. Developers are eager to learn these features quickly to stay ahead. 2. Simplicity in learning. Crash courses are concise and focus on the essentials, making it easier for beginners and professionals to grasp the core concepts of the new release without wading through extensive documentation. 3. Developer community buzz. The excitement around new releases generates demand for updated learning material. A course titled Next.js 15 Crash Course attracts those curious about the changes and improvements in the latest version. 4. Real-world applications. Good crash courses often emphasize practical, hands-on projects. This enables developers to apply what they learn directly to their projects, making the content immediately useful. 5. SEO and marketing. The term Next.js 15 crash course is likely optimized for search engines, capturing a wide audience searching for resources on the latest version. 6. Versatility of Next.js. Next.js is a versatile framework for building modern web applications, including static sites, server-side rendered apps, and hybrid models. This broad applicability draws developers from various fields. 7. Hype around JavaScript ecosystem. The JavaScript ecosystem evolves rapidly, and frameworks like Next.js are at the forefront. Developers often see learning the latest Next.js version as an investment in their career. Interactive learning experiences. Modern crash courses often include interactive examples, live coding sessions, or challenges, which make learning more engaging and effective. If a Next.js 15 crash course includes such features, it's likely to be more appreciated by the audience. 9. Focus on performance and best practices. Next.js is widely celebrated for enabling high-performance applications. A good crash course typically teaches best practices like optimizing performance, implementing server-side rendering, SSR, and integrating new features efficiently, all of which are crucial for developers looking to build production-grade apps. 10. Integration with popular tools. Next.js frequently integrates with popular tools and platforms like Vercel, React, and Tailwind CSS. If a crash course highlights these integrations and demonstrates how to use them effectively, it further adds to its value. 11. Strong community support. The Next.js community is vast and active. A course that's well received by the community often gains momentum as developers recommend it to peers, write reviews, or share their learning experiences on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, or Reddit. 12. Adaptability for both beginners and experts. Crash courses are usually designed to cater to a broad audience. Beginners appreciate the simplicity, while experienced developers value the concise updates and insights into new advanced features. This dual appeal makes such courses universally liked. 13. Accessibility of resources. High-quality crash courses often provide supplemental resources like cheat sheets, code snippets, and GitHub repositories. These materials enable learners to revisit and apply the concepts even after completing the course. 14. Instructor expertise. A course led by a well-known developer or educator in the Next.js ecosystem can significantly boost its appeal. Their expertise, teaching style, and insights make the learning experience smoother and more trustworthy. 15. Flexibility in learning. Crash courses are often short and modular, making them ideal for developers who want to quickly get up to speed without committing to a lengthy course. The flexibility to complete them at one's own pace adds to their popularity. Final thought. If Next.js 15 crash course has garnered widespread praise, it's likely because it strikes a perfect balance between updated content, practical applications, and an engaging learning experience. For learners, such a course serves as a quick and effective way to master the latest advancements in a framework that's central to modern web development. 16. Rapid framework adoption in industry. Next.js is heavily adopted by companies for building scalable, SEO-friendly applications. A crash course that provides the essentials for mastering version 15 helps developers meet industry demands, making them more employable or effective in their roles. 17. Excitement around new features. Developers often anticipate significant changes or enhancements with major updates like Next.js 15. Courses that dissect and explain these new features, such as improved routing, updated server components, or better integration with AI tools, create a buzz. 18. Focus on building real projects. Many crash courses focus on building real-world projects, such as blogs, e-commerce platforms, or portfolio sites. This practical approach not only helps in understanding theoretical concepts, but also provides tangible results that learners can showcase. 19. Step-by-step guidance. Quality crash courses break down complex topics into manageable chunks, making them easier to grasp. When a course is structured with clear progressions, it fosters confidence in learners, motivating them to complete the course. 20. Comprehensive coverage in a short time. The term crash course implies quick learning, which appeals to developers who want to stay up to date without investing weeks in study. If the Next.js 15 crash course delivers on this promise, it will naturally gain widespread appeal. 21. Support for multiple learning styles. Popular courses often cater to diverse learning preferences, combining video lectures, written summaries, diagrams, and hands-on coding exercises. This inclusivity makes the course accessible and effective for a larger audience. 22. Free or affordable access. Courses that are free or affordably priced see broader participation, especially from students and freelance developers. Even paid courses often offer free introductory lessons to entice learners.